Well, good evening, knife nerds and EDC aficionados. Here's another unboxing video. Tonight we've got a budget folder. Ozark Trail Walmart special. Got that white handle, man. Wow. Well, first impression, that was decent. Pretty decent action, too, to be honest with you. Not much flex side to side in that. I mean, that... literally just drop shits out of the package. That's pretty funny. I mean, centering. That's pretty on, to be honest with you. Pretty snappy. I mean, probably about as dull as a butter knife out of the package. Hold on. Not terrible, but I mean, could be better. I mean, surprisingly for the price, this is things that tank. I would probably grab a few of them and just run them as baiters and have them and use it till you can't. And either if you know how to sharpen it. If you don't, toss it and just reopen another package, man, to be honest with you. I mean, it feels pretty solid. The scales feel decent. There's no... I mean, if you really flex on them, you can get them to flex because, of course, it's not, you know, super strong material. We're not working with adamantium here. But, I mean, God, $5, $7? Can't beat that, dude, to be honest with you. Terrible angle here. I apologize.